It's no biggie right now. Look all around here. There's no drain hole to drain the oil. Stop flipping around. See? There's nothing. Flipping around this way. Nothing. Flipping around in front. See? Nothing you can get to anyway. Yeah. Turn it around this way to the other side. Again, where the muffler is, nothing. So, the way to drain the oil out of this thing is like this. Tip it over and drain it out that way. Just like that. Just the way they want you to do it. That's it. Why they want you to do it like that is on me. But anyway, that's pretty much all you need to know right now.